first row, sales is 500 and quantity is 10. When we divide 500 by 10, the result is 50. That is correct, and Excel calculates it perfectly. Now, look at the second row. Sales is 300 and quantity is 0. Now, logically, dividing any number by 0 is not possible. Sometimes this also happens when the quantity is stored as text instead of number. So Excel shows an error. Hashtag div/0. And if you drag the formula down through many rows, you may see multiple errors like this that can make your Excel reports look messy, confusing, and unprofessional. Now let's solve this using one of the most useful Excel formulas for beginners and professionals. IF error. Click in the results cell for the first row. Now start typing the formula. Type equals IF error, open bracket. Now select or type your division formula first. Select sales, or you can say cell C3 and then divide it by quantity, which are in cell D3. Now type a comma, and after this, type 2 quotation marks with nothing inside. This tells Excel, if there is an error, show a blank cell instead. Now close the parenthesis and press enter. What happened? For the first row, Excel calculated normally and returned 50 because there was no error. Now drag the formula down. Look where quantity is 0. The division failed, but instead of showing an ugly error, Excel displayed a blank cell. That is the power of IF error. Now let's make it even better. Sometimes instead of a blank cell, you may want to guide the user. Maybe quantity is missing, or someone entered 0 by mistake. So click the formula cell again, and type within quotation marks this message. Check quantity. Now press enter. Drag the formula down again. Now, when quantity is 0, instead of an error, Excel shows. Check quantity. This is extremely useful because it tells the user exactly what needs attention. No confusion, no ugly errors, just smart.